Another sharpening. This time is the Endura 4 in K390. This knife had uneven bevel from the factory. I'll file it with my 300 grit diamond auto sharp plate 6x2. I'm progressing into this is F150 to further refine the edge. If I'm sharpening high vanadium steel, more often than not I will use diamond plate first, because it cut fast, so it can reduce the level of convexity to my edge. If I'm using all this veneer, although it can cut high vanadium steel, the tendency of you convexing more and more as you're chasing the apex. It become more pronounced. That's why I like to use diamond plate at the starting of my sharpening. If I sharpen a high vanadium steel, because with that speed of the diamond plate, I can control the level of convexity of the knife, because it cut fast, so it won't have time to, meaning to say, if I'm chasing the chasing the apex, it will become like this, not more like this, because if it cuts slower, then you tend to rock your hand more and more as you progress. So I like using the diamond plate at the beginning of my freehand sharpening, just to form a crispy edge, and after that refinement, or just to refine the scratch pattern, you can go with this veneer. Now I'm on F150, 100 to 80 micron. Got a burr already. As usual, I'm using oil with my stone. On to F 240, 50 to 40 micron. So I will be cleaning the stone after I finish the sharpening. This is camellia oil, the oil that you use to, to protect your knife from rust. I like the, I don't know, I've tried honing oil, so it's working. Camellia oil is working. Just any oil, it will work. Just to suspend the metal from the stone. $400. So I was mentioning, I'm using oil currently on this veneer because it cleans the stone, and you are easy to clean the stone and prevent, not preventing, but minimizing the level of blow up. So with that, your stone can maintain its cutting power, which is crucial during sharpening. If your stone don't cut, you will be spending more time. If you're spending more time, then the C for you to make a mistake is higher. And also, if the stone cut slowly, you're having a big chance of rounding your apex instead of apexing it properly. Instead of continuing with this, I'm going to use my 1x6 just because it have a longer and smaller, so that I can target to target here. Okay, this is f100 20-14, still in the at f400. Looking at it, I think we can move on this f400 to f800. Still left a little bit more, but I don't want to waste my time grinding the unnecessary, only aesthetic, only effective performance of the knife. Because if you are doing one sharpening only, and then you remove all the steels, yeah, wasting of steel, wasting of a good steel. You use it and then come down, and then you can have your sharpening again. And by the time you fix it little by little, right? That's the way to go. Doing 7 to 5 micron. Where's the bite? You can see this is green in color. This one is red in color, 800. So don't be fooled by the color. Look at the micron size and the grid. Even the F100, they have black. They have yellow. You have yellow and also have red. keep my strop inside the plastic so I don't contaminate it. Okay, this 1 micron also. It's my doorbell. Before I stop it, I like to spit some alcohol because that's what goes on. Nice. Right. Then that 1 micron, gunny juice. With this nano cloth, it's kind of spongy. Some give to it, but at first I wasn't pretty keen of using it, but once I see how much it hold the gunny juice, and I've loaded several times, and with each loading it became more. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it, the shine coming up just from using this combination of nano cloth and gunny juice is, I don't know, it polishes more better than any compound that I know, because it's using polydiamond. It break down to small particles. Yeah, you know that poly is and mono, two type of diamond, poly and monocrystalline and polycrystalline. Polycrystalline break down easily. Then mono it's a single. Mono it means single. Poly is a change of mono clumping together. So when it break down to small pieces. That's layman term that I can tell you guys. Mono, like Stoppy stuff, is monocrystalline diamond. It's good for your edge, okay? For your edge, for if you want some bite to your edge, use the mono. But if you want to look good but also at the same time cut good, go with gunny. Juice. That thing polished like this is only 1 micron. One more if I can, starting with 3, 2, 1. Only with 1 micron. Only 1 micron. Oh, there's so many messages coming in today. Alright. Oh, sorry. Okay. 1 micron only. 1 micron gunny. This video is long, so I'm gonna take it pieces by pieces. Okay. Now moving on to 0.5. Stroppy stuff on balsa. On this, once you use gunny, when you try to stop this wood, it feel like glass, man. Feel like you're running on glass because it's smooth already. That's why if you use gunny, you don't stop too much, otherwise you'll over polish your edge. Still can feel the fineness of the edge. Okay, now move on to 0.25. It's a bit load up. Usually the strop that gonna load up faster will be the lower micron. In my case, I use this a lot. 0.25. There's some part still have a double bevel, but I don't care. Just let me try afterwards whether it can hold the hair or not. Curls, tiny curls.